just wanted to quickly make a video about something you got to look out for with demand gen ads. Just found out about. So when you go into an ad group, you're going to first go to settings. There is a setting called optimized targeting. This is super hard to find now because Google has for some reason removed the settings tab. So yeah, here you go to overview and then here, edit campaign. What this feature does is it allows Google to expand outside. So that's really bad, especially if you're running retargeting campaigns. I figured this out because I found our campaigns weren't showing to our target audience. So got to make sure that you turn this off before launching discovery campaigns or you will suffer the consequences. That's how you do it.